All right, check this out. This is my lion's mane mushroom. That's incredible. This is the one that I grew from the Grow Your Own Medicinal Mushroom Workshop that co-taught with Tara from Fungi Akuafu, here local to Calgary, Alberta. She's a local mushroom grower and she helps folks get mushroom growing kits just like this. And her and I are teaming up again to be able to put on another workshop. Our first one completely sold out and we had a wait list and we've just opened that up. Those that are on the wait list got first notification and next is now open to the public. So if you were inspired to grow your own medicinal mushrooms, something like this, lion's mane mushroom, or reishi, or oyster mushroom, and there's a couple of different colors of oyster mushrooms you can get, definitely go ahead to lightcellar.ca and get yourself registered. The class is going to be happening in last Thursday of the month in January, but you got to sign up soon so we can get one of these kits ready for you. Now, a question I have for you, should I cook this or should I tincture it? That's one of the things that we'll be talking about in the course is not only how to grow your own medicinal mushrooms, but how to then prepare them. All kinds of delicious recipes, as well as the medicinal aspect as well. So, cool thing about this here is that this is the first flush. So the lion's mane and the oyster, you actually get 2 flushes of mushrooms. So I'm gonna harvest this and then start it again and we'll get another flush. So very stoked for that. Check that guy out. It's beautiful. Super cool to be able to grow your own medicinal mushrooms.